Now similarly in energy optimization, select this create energy modeling option. So you just click on this one and then select this create the energy analytics model. So click here. So now here you see this is in our energy analytics. So these are, we have three spaces, 1, 2 and 3. These are three spaces. So after selecting these spaces, so now again you go to view tab. So this is our view tab, and now here you can click on user interface and then select on system browser. So here you see this is our system browser. So now where in system browser you can select this analytical system. So click on this analytical system. Now here we can defining our system for each space. So first of all you can click on add water loop. So click on a water loop. So as you know we use VAV system, so this is our chilled water loop, CW loop, that's why I write. So here we can add our system. So we have chilled water system, and now here you can define chiller type, which is an air cooled chiller. Similarly you can add water loop. So here we have hot water loop. So here we can define this. Now you can add hot water. So this is for this is our chilled water and hot water loop. So now after defining chilled water and hot water, you can add air system. So click on air system, and here you see this is our air system. So this is air system for our dining area 1. You can write here 1. So here you can define, we do not require any preheating coil, so we just click select over cooling coil. So for that you can select here chilled water and here CW. Similarly you can define your heating coil. You can define hot water, and here you see this is over HT. Then apply this. So after defining our air system, now we can add zone equipment. So you can write zone equipment. Here we have zone equipment FCU, and from here we can define our as you know that we use variable box or variable volume box. So here we can define heating coil. Heating coil is basically hot water, and similarly we have this, and we define air system, which is air system 1. So now after that we can add this move to this FCU. Now we can define our complete chilled water hot water system for our space 1.